Here is a beginner-level Business Development Manager quiz that covers new business identification, market expansion and entry strategies, and brand development and positioning. Let's go. Question 1. What is the first step in identifying a new business opportunity? A. Hiring a marketing agency. B. Analyzing customer needs and market gaps. C. Launching a product immediately. And D. Copying a competitor's strategy. The answer is analyzing customer needs and market gaps. Question 2. Which of the following helps in evaluating new business opportunities? A. SWOT analysis. B. Company logo redesign. C. Random brainstorming. And D. Team building activities. The answer is SWOT analysis. Question 3. What does market validation refer to in business development? A. Hiring only experienced salespeople. B. Filing for a trademark. C. Testing demand before fully launching a product or service. And D. Opening multiple stores at once. The answer is testing demand before fully launching a product or service. Question 4. Which strategy supports successful market entry? A. Studying local regulations and cultural preferences. B. Ignoring competitor activity. C. Expanding with no market research. And D. Standardizing global pricing. The answer is studying local regulations and cultural preferences. Question 5. What is a direct entry strategy into a new market? A. Avoiding on-ground presence. B. Licensing the product to a third party. C. Exporting without customer support. And D. Setting up company-owned offices or stores. The answer is setting up company-owned offices or stores. Question 6. Which of the following is a low-risk market entry strategy? A. Exporting through local distributors. B. Mergers and acquisitions. C. Buying out a competitor. And D. Launching across multiple continents at once. The answer is exporting through local distributors. Question 7. What is the role of brand positioning in business development? A. Increasing manufacturing capacity. B. Creating a distinct image in the customer's mind. C. Hiring senior staff. And D. Reducing team size. The answer is creating a distinct image in the customer's mind. Question 8. Which element is essential for effective brand development? A. Avoiding feedback from customers. B. Changing taglines every week. C. Clear and consistent messaging. And D. Ignoring competitor branding. The answer is clear and consistent messaging. Question 9. Which of the following best describes a value proposition? A. A list of product features. B. The company's mission statement. C. A pricing strategy. And D. The unique benefit a brand offers its customers. The answer is the unique benefit a brand offers its customers. Question 10. Which technique helps to differentiate a brand in a competitive market? A. Unique storytelling and brand personality. B. Copying the market leader. C. Avoiding digital marketing. And D. Minimizing outreach efforts. The answer is unique storytelling and brand personality. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the purpose of a market entry strategy? A. To reduce operational efficiency. B. To guide how a company will begin selling in a new region. C. To avoid customer feedback. And D. To delay expansion. The answer is to guide how a company will begin selling in a new region. Question 12. How can companies identify unmet customer needs? A. Following internal assumptions only. B. Guessing based on past experience. C. Conducting surveys, interviews and focus groups. And D. Ignoring market data. The answer is conducting surveys, interviews, and focus groups. Question 13. What does brand consistency refer to? A. Avoiding brand guidelines. B. Changing visuals often to surprise the market. C. Adopting multiple brand logos for variety. And D. Delivering a uniform look, tone, and message across all channels. The answer is delivering a uniform look, tone, and message across all channels. Question 14. What is an example of poor market entry? A. Entering a new country without understanding local laws and consumer behavior. B. Partnering with a local distributor. C. Adapting the product for local needs. And D. Offering a promotional launch discount. The answer is entering a new country without understanding local laws and consumer behavior. Question 15. Which tool helps visualize and assess new business opportunities? A. Logistics schedule. B. Income tax statement. C. Business model canvas. And D. Production flow diagram. The answer is Business Model Canvas. Question 16. Which of these activities is part of brand building? A. Ignoring feedback channels. B. Creating engaging content and building emotional connections. C. Avoiding online presence. And D. Focusing only on product features. The answer is creating engaging content and building emotional connections. Question 17. Why is competitive differentiation important in new business identification? A. It leads to imitation of competitors. B. It reduces brand recognition. C. It avoids innovation. And D. It ensures a unique position in the market. The answer is it ensures a unique position in the market. Question 18. What is the main benefit of a strong brand in a new market? A. It slows down marketing. B. It increases operating costs. C. It builds trust and drives quicker adoption by customers. And D. It removes the need for partnerships. The answer is it builds trust and drives quicker adoption by customers. Question 19. Which of the following helps assess the readiness of a company to enter a new market? A. Internal capability analysis and market opportunity evaluation. B. The CEO's intuition. C. Brand color selection. And D. Team size. The answer is internal capability analysis and market opportunity evaluation. Question 20. How can a business maintain brand relevance over time? A. Using the same campaign for years. B. Ignoring changes in consumer behavior. C. Adapting to customer expectations and market trends. And D. Avoiding digital platforms. The answer is adapting to customer expectations and market trends. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.